Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem the Twitch Cyberpunk wings on Dress to Impress. So search Dress to Impress on YouTube and watch streamers that have the word drops in it. It says drops enabled for wings, drops for wings. I'm just going to select the top one here. You basically have to watch the streamer for 30 minutes. Make sure your audio is more than like 25% or else it won't count. Then, once you have watched it for 30 minutes, go to your profile here. Make sure you have a Twitch profile. Select drops and rewards. Then go to your inventory. It says rewards here. Select redeem. And then copy this code. Go to Roblox. And go to Dress to Impress, of course. And then you're going to open up codes here. Enter your code and press redeem. I think it's different for everybody, but I have already redeemed the wings here, as you can see. If you go to the code section, you'll be able to see the wings. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. There's two toggles to this as well, toggle 1 and toggle 2. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.